What do you eat?
I eat bread.
What do you like?
I like apples.
What do you want?
I want milk.
What do you need?
I need a pen.
What do you do?
I play.
What do you read?
I read a book.
What do you watch?
I watch TV.
What do you play?
I play football.
What do you study?
I study English.
What do you do in the morning?
I eat breakfast.
What do you do at school?
I learn.
What do you do at home?
I play games.
What do you do after school?
I rest.
What do you do on weekends?
I watch TV.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat soup.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink juice.
What do you like to do?
I like to draw.
What do you dislike?
I dislike noise.
What do you do in summer?
I swim.
What do you do for fun?
I play football.
What do you usually wear?
I wear a t-shirt.
What do you like to drink?
I like water.
What do you want to drink?
I want tea.
What do you usually eat for snacks?
I eat fruits.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
What do you want to eat?
I want pizza.
What do you want to buy?
I want a toy.
What do you think?
I think it's good.
What do you think about this movie?
I think it's fun.
What do you think about this book?
I think it's interesting.
What do you usually listen to?
I listen to music.
What do you do with your friends?
I play games.
What do you usually do on holidays?
I go outside.
What do you usually watch on TV?
I watch cartoons.
What do you do before school?
I eat breakfast.
What do you do in the morning before school?
I brush my teeth.
What do you want to learn?
I want to learn English.
What do you do when it rains?
I stay home.
What do you do when you wake up?
I wash my face.
What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth.
What do you do when you're tired?
I sleep.
What do you do when you're angry?
I take a deep breath.
What do you do when you're scared?
I close my eyes.
What do you do at the park?
I play with my friends.
What do you do in class?
I listen to the teacher.
What do you do when you feel lonely?
I call a friend.
What do you do when it's cold?
I wear a jacket.
What do you see in the sky?
I see clouds.
What do you do when you lose?
I try again.
What do you do with your phone?
I listen to music.
What do you do when you're late?
I run.
What do you see at the zoo?
I see lions.
What do you do at the beach?
I swim.
What do you do when you're cold?
I drink tea.
What do you use a computer for?
I study English.
What do you watch on YouTube?
I watch English videos.
What do you do when you're nervous?
I breathe slowly.
What do you do when you're happy?
I sing.
What do you do when you're excited?
I jump.